everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Instagram password to a new one, especially if you want to make your account more secure. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 lines menu. After that, tap on Account Center. When the page opens, select Password and Security. Now, tap on Change Password. At this stage, you'll need to choose which account you want to update, especially if you have multiple accounts linked. Here, you need to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong. It should be at least 6 characters long, and it's highly recommended to combine uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help protect your account from being hacked. Next, enter your current password. Then, type your new password and retype it again to confirm. You will also see an option that says log out of other devices if someone else used your account. You can tick this option if you want to make sure your account is logged out from any unknown devices. Once everything is complete, tap on the Change Password button. And that's it! You have successfully changed your Instagram password. For extra safety, you can try logging out from your account and then log back in using your new password to make sure everything works perfectly. As a bonus tip, always avoid using easy passwords like your name or date of birth, and never share your password with anyone. Alright, that's all for this video. I hope this tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!